Hi guys, welcome to another video. This one is going to be a what I eat in a day video, but I'm gonna make it all like fall inspired recipes. So I hope you guys enjoy. We're gonna start with breakfast, which is going to be a fall oatmeal, basically apple pie oatmeal. And this is how I make it. I have made a bunch of steel cut oats in my Instant Pot earlier, so they're here, they're cold. I'm gonna microwave them and top them with everything. That is my apple oatmeal. It's 11 a.m. right now and I'm a little bit hungry, so I decided to have some chips and salsa. And oh my god, you guys, this is my absolute favorite salsa in the world. It tastes like heaven. They sell it everywhere, so definitely try it. I can't recommend it enough. It's so good, honestly. You want some chips and salsa, Kami? Okay, so it's 12:30 right now and I'm kind of hungry. And I decided that I'm gonna make myself a smoothie. And I'm actually gonna make a pumpkin spice smoothie. I'm super excited. I found this recipe online, but I'm gonna add one more thing that was not included in the recipe. I'm gonna add protein powder. And I actually got sent this protein powder by Live Well. This is vanilla. They also sent me cacao, and I've actually tried the cacao and it's really, really good. So I have high expectations for the vanilla as well. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below so you guys can check their website. But it's vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, non-GMO. I actually don't like plant protein because it's usually made from peas and you can really taste it and it's not pleasant. But with this one, it's really, really tasty. You can never tell it's pea protein, and I totally recommend it. It's really, really good. Okay guys, so here is what we're gonna need for the recipe. Canned pumpkin or fresh pumpkin if you have, frozen bananas, almond milk, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, also allspice, but I don't have any, so I'm skipping that, and then organic maple syrup, which I might also skip because I'm gonna add the protein, which will be sweetened, so we'll see how that's gonna go, but these are the ingredients, and now we're gonna start making it. Oof, I think that was more than 1/4. Guys, I forgot to show you that I also added half a cup of ice. And I'm gonna add the protein now, and I'll probably add some water because this is gonna be really thick and I'm not looking for a smoothie bowl consistency. This is what it looks like. The color is really nice, it smells amazing, so now I'm gonna try it. Okay guys, let's try it now. This is so good. I'm usually not a big fan of pumpkin spice. I think maybe the fact that I didn't add allspice made it a little bit more less pumpkin spice. I don't know, but I really love it. It's really delicious. And the protein, just as the cacao, you can't even taste like the pea in it. So I'm really loving it. So it's only 5:30, but I'm getting pretty hungry, so I'm gonna start working on dinner. I just cooked some quinoa and I'm gonna make something like a grain bowl with quinoa, salad mix, some veggies, chicken, crispy cauliflower, things like that. So I'm gonna start making that now. So I have seasoned some chicken thighs with parsley, salt and pepper, and I'm gonna start cooking them in this pan. So here is my seasoned cauliflower with sea salt, some onion powder, garlic powder, and some extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna roast it in my air fryer for about 10 minutes. So I'm ready to assemble my bowl. I start with quinoa and this herb salad mix from Trader Joe's. And I'm basically just seasoning it with like a homemade balsamic vinaigrette with extra virgin olive oil, some balsamic vinegar. I add the chicken, the cauliflower, some dried cranberries, just for a little bit of fun, a little bit of sweetness, some goat cheese, and I also decided to add some walnuts for just a little bit of crunch. And that's my dinner, you guys. It's, I guess, a mix between a salad and a grain bowl. I'm also drinking this raspberry lime seltzer from Trader Joe's, and it's really good. And then a couple hours later, I decided to grab a little dessert. I've been obsessed with these frozen yogurt bars by Yasso. They have amazing flavors and most of them are just 100 calories. It's such a good dessert and it's also very light, so definitely recommend them. They have a ton of different flavors and every one that I have tried so far has been really good. So this is how my day of eating ended. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and I will see you next week with another one. Bye guys.